How a Dipanshu become a Deepti? A boy who was very intelligent person. He scored in 12th class 92% marks and he did the job. He earned a handsome amount. He lived successfully. But people harassed him mentally, physically, sexually, and again and again. Sorry, sir, I repeat again. How a Dipanshu become a Deepti? A boy who was a very intelligent person. He scored in 12th class 92% marks. He did the job. He earned a handsome amount. He lived successfully. But people harassed him mentally, physically, sexually, again and again. Because he did not act a common boy. He act like a girl. Because of our cruel, biased behavior, compelled him to join of transgenders community today. And today, he is begging in local train at a bus stop as a Deepti. He was not a beggar. We have made him a beggar. Hi, good morning everyone. This is Sonu Verma. I am telling about a transgender's life in our country. Do you know there are number of Deepti and Dipanshi in every country, every state, in every local area. In India, 4.88 lakhs in Deepti as a transgenders. I am talking about in state. First of all, UP, 137,000. Second, Andhra Pradesh, 43,000. And Maharashtra, 40,000. Have you ever wondered? Have you ever wondered how do they live? Have you ever wondered how do they live? You all live with family, with child, with husband, with child, with friends. You are not alone. Have you ever thought? Have you ever thought with whom? How do they live? Let me share with you some data. How do they live? 2% with family. Only 2%. With leader, do you know with leaders? With leader, 35%. Separate, alone, 30%. Long-term partner, 2%, and short-term partner 2% and long-term partner 14%. Let me answer questions you always complain. They beg, do not work hard. You accept your family. You accept all family and love you so much. But their family don't accept them. You get respect easily in our society, but they don't. You get education, but they don't. Actually, our thinking is some problem. We enjoy them. Am I right? We enjoy them. We enjoy their clapping. We enjoy their dance. We enjoy their abused. but never thought. Am right? I am talk about education. You get education easily. Only only 40% transgenders educated. Let me share with you education challenge their life. Let me share with you. 50 to 60% never attended school. After that, 52% harassed by their classmate. 15% harassed by teacher. After that, 57% sex harassment. Change but cannot afford it. But now I am thankful my government, which has recently constructed a university in UP. The name of Akhil Bharatiya Kinder Shiksha Trust in UP. The admission started 15 January 2023, pre-nursery to PhD. And now thankful to my Karnataka government, there are transgenders can be applied to any government post. I would like to say some few lines. We have accepted men, women, and all every caste. Why don't accept them? Is the same manner? In the same manner, we should accept them with heartily. There are also human. ट्रांसजेंडर्स कभी कभी भिखारी बनते नहीं हैं, कभी कभी उन्हें भिखारी बनाया जाता है. सो थैंक यू सो मच.